Welcome to Expert Advisor Builder Pro and welcome to the 5-Minute Challenge. In the 5-Minute Challenge, we're going to show you that you can build any expert advisor in 5 minutes. In this second part, we're demonstrating a more complex expert advisor using the RSI and volumes indicators. But no matter which expert advisor you want to build, it's the same routine, so pay attention to the process. Today's expert advisor was submitted by Ricardo. Thank you, Ricardo, for allowing us to share your trading strategy with our community. We will now look at the trading plan of the RSI and volumes expert advisor. We enter a long position when RSI crossed below 65 and the volume increased on the closed candle. We enter a short position when RSI crossed above 35 and the volume increased on the closed candle. We set the stop loss at the price level equal to the entry price minus 2% of the account balance. We set take profit to break even if we're halfway towards stop loss to try to save ourselves from a loss. We exit in profit when the close price crossed most recent swing by 15 pips, which can be at any price point depending on the strength of the trend. We want our lot size to be 1 microlot for every order after a win and increase our lot size with 1 microlot after a loss, with a maximum of 2 steps. So 3 microlot will be our maximum lot size. Let's create the expert advisor. Start by adding an expert advisor to your account. Give your expert advisor a logical name. The first thing we're going to do is add all the indicators we need. We can add more later, but we like to focus on one thing at a time. We're adding the RSI and volumes indicators. Bar open, high, low, and close can be found in the indicator list as well. We're going to use bar close. The swing highest lowest indicator is a custom indicator, which we will upload. Please see the description of this video to learn where to find it. We enter a long position when RSI crossed below 65. And the volume increased on the closed candle. The value is increasing when the value on the previous bar is above the value on the bar before. Let's copy-paste this signal and adjust it as needed. We enter a short position when RSI crossed above 35 and the volume increased on the closed candle. There are 2 ways to exit, using signals or using modules. The close module set a take profit or stop loss on the chart, usually per order, and wait for the price to cross your take profit or stop loss. The close signals allow you to define conditions, and if those conditions are met, all orders will be closed immediately. So we will now add a stop loss module to set the stop loss price equal to the entry price minus 2% of the account balance. To set take profit to break even, start by adding the take profit conditional pro module. We will set the name accordingly to keep things organized. We check if the order has a stop loss because we're going to use the stop loss price for our calculation. Now we will check if the price is below half of the distance between the open price and stop loss, which requires some basic math. We're adding an advanced condition because we want to create a condition consisting of multiple parts, the price being below a calculated price value. As the second part, we choose the advanced condition again because we will want to subtract half of the distance from our open price. And again, because we will want to divide the distance by 2. The color codes will show you which conditions are part of your advanced condition. You can also collapse an advanced condition for a summary view. We set take profit to break even and disable trailing. We now add the same module for sell orders. We will use the close signals to exit our position once the close price crossed the most recent swing by 15 pips, and only if we're in profit. As the second part, we choose the advanced condition again because we will want to subtract 15 pips from the swing low. With the second condition, we check if we're in profit. Let's copy-paste this signal to the sell counterpart and adjust it as needed because for sell orders, everything is in reverse. Since we want to increase our lot size with 50% for each order after a loss, we will be using the martingale module. So we set our multiplier to 1.5, and we want to multiply just 2 times maximum. That's it. We've showed you how you can create this expert advisor in a little over 5 minutes. Do you have a trading plan you would like to automate and don't mind sharing? Send me your plan and I'll show you how to create it.